Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we discuss about Ameca, its robot. Picture a world where robots possess the remarkable ability to converse, engage, and even express their creativity through art, mirroring human capabilities. It's a concept that pushes the boundaries of our imagination, and today, we have the privilege of delving into the captivating world of Ameca, an extraordinary robot that brings this futuristic vision to life. Engineered Arts, the brilliant minds behind Ameca, have truly outdone themselves with this groundbreaking creation. This remarkable machine goes beyond the ordinary realm of robots, embodying a perfect fusion of technology and artistry that showcases their unparalleled creativity and innovation. However, Ameca is far more than just a visually captivating entity with a rubber exterior. Imagine a world where robots aren't just about looks, they serve a grander purpose to advance robotics technology and improve human-robot interactions. This is precisely what Engineered Arts has accomplished with Ameca. This remarkable creation goes beyond aesthetics, designed to seamlessly connect with people. Ameca is equipped with cutting-edge features, including microphones, cameras for eyes and chest, and facial recognition software. These elements work harmoniously to enable effortless and natural interactions with the public. What sets Ameca apart is its remarkable adaptability. It can be controlled either through the powerful GPT-3 or by human telepresence, offering a level of control and versatility that is truly impressive. But let's talk about Ameca's motorized capabilities, which are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Its articulated arms, fingers, neck, and facial components enable it to move with fluidity and lifelike precision, blurring the boundary between robot and human. Engaging in conversation with Ameca and observing its expressive gestures feels like stepping into the realm of science fiction, a surreal experience indeed. And that's not all. Ameca's artistic talents are equally astonishing. Yes, you heard it right. This extraordinary robot possesses the ability to create stunning works of art, adding another layer to its already impressive repertoire. Engineered Arts has truly surpassed all expectations with their creation, Ameca. Its realistic appearance and seamless motion make it an ideal partner in the world of art. The 24 facial motors allow it to effortlessly mimic human expressions like smiles, frowns, and winks, leaving people marveling at the realism and wonder it brings to interactions. But Ameca's talents don't stop there. Its multilingual capabilities enable it to speak various languages and accents using text-to-speech synthesis or pre-recorded audio, adding an extra layer of authenticity to its communication. And let's not overlook the incredible dexterity it possesses, with 20 motors in each arm and 12 motors in each hand. These abilities take Ameca beyond the realm of mere drawing. It can write, type, play musical instruments like the piano, and even solve the mind-bending Rubik's Cube, a truly boundless display of versatility. Now, let's shift our attention to something exciting: the latest news from OpenAI and a startup called 1X. They've unveiled their groundbreaking creation, Neo, the first ever physical robot. Powered by OpenAI's advanced AI systems, including GPT-4, DALL-E, Codex, and Clip. Neo, resembling an astronaut from the future, boasts exceptional abilities that leave us in awe. Imagine having a companion that not only understands what you say but can also create stunning pictures from written words, write functional computer code, learn from text-based instructions. That's precisely what Neo, the humanoid robot developed by OpenAI and 1X, can do. Its impressive skills empower it to undertake a wide array of tasks, from drawing pictures and playing games to solving puzzles. Neo represents a significant step towards OpenAI's vision of a future where AI can handle any task that humans can. It's like having a super smart assistant right by your side, ready to bring creativity to life through its drawings, entertain with games, and even lend a helping hand in solving complex problems. The possibilities with Neo seem boundless, and one can only imagine the incredible things that can be achieved with such a robot. As for Ameca and Neo, they are both remarkable humanoid robots that exemplify the remarkable capabilities of artificial intelligence in the field of robotics. While both share the ability to draw, they have distinct approaches and executions. Ameca's drawing skills are the result of a collaborative effort between Engineered Arts, the University of Bristol, and the University of Bath. With OpenAI at the forefront of AI and robotics, NEO serves as a shining example of what the future holds. As technology continues to advance, robots like NEO and Ameca are leading the way towards a future where AI can match and even surpass human capabilities, ushering in a new era of possibilities. In May 2023, a team of researchers secured funding from the Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council and presented their remarkable work at a conference. Their primary objective was to leverage artificial intelligence to enhance the creativity and precision of drawing. To achieve this, they combined various techniques, including generative adversarial networks, style transfer, inverse kinematics, and proportional integral derivative controllers. Thanks to these innovative methods, Ameca, the humanoid robot, now possesses the ability to create a wide range of images, from lifelike portraits and scenic landscapes to imaginative depictions of animals and abstract art. What's truly awe-inspiring is that Ameca can even bring to life drawings based on descriptions, like a cool cat sporting sunglasses or a mythical fire-breathing dragon. But here's the real marvel: Ameca can generate drawings from its own imagination using random data. Here's how it works. Ameca begins by utilizing a generative adversarial network to produce an image from either text or noise. It then employs style transfer to apply a specific artistic style, such as sketch or watercolor, to the generated image. Using inverse kinematics, the robot skillfully calculates the angles of its arm and hand to accurately trace the shape of the image. The fusion of these cutting-edge techniques has elevated Ameca's artistic abilities to new heights, making it a fascinating example of how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the world of drawing and creativity. The researchers' efforts have opened up exciting possibilities for the future of art and robotics. Finally, to bring the artistic vision to life on paper, Ameca employs proportional integral derivative (PID) controllers to skillfully control its motors and draw the image with impressive precision. The outcome is truly remarkable. Ameca can produce realistic, expressive, and original drawings that leave spectators in awe of its artistic talents. On a different note, let's talk about NEO, the humanoid robot crafted by OpenAI, the same organization known for ChatGPT. NEO is a striking creation designed to resemble a futuristic astronaut, boasting the ability to move, manipulate objects, and communicate effectively. OpenAI envisions NEO as a platform to test and develop artificial general intelligence, AGI, aiming to create AI systems capable of performing any task that a human can do. The grand unveiling of NEO took place in July 2023 at the NEO Accelerator program, initiated by Silicon Valley investor Ali Partovi in collaboration with OpenAI and Microsoft. With NEO's introduction, the possibilities for advancing AI and robotics seem even more promising, propelling us toward a future where machines can match and exceed human capabilities, thanks to continuous efforts in the field of artificial intelligence. The Accelerator program aims to support emerging AI companies by offering them free software and mentorship, a valuable initiative in fostering innovation. At the event, NEO's impressive abilities and diverse tasks were showcased, leaving the audience in awe. Undoubtedly, NEO stands as one of the most advanced and ambitious robots, perfectly embodying OpenAI's forward-looking vision for the future of AI and robotics. One of NEO's remarkable features is its customizable design, allowing its parts to be adapted according to specific tasks or environments. It can effortlessly switch between using legs and wheels or employ various gripping tools for different purposes. Moreover, NEO is equipped with wireless capabilities, enabling seamless interactions through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Thanks to OpenAI's powerful AI systems, NEO is capable of comprehending and responding to spoken commands, generating realistic images from text, writing functional code based on spoken prompts, and learning from text to recognize objects, faces, and emotions. This versatility enables NEO to perform a wide array of tasks, such as drawing, playing games like chess, and solving puzzles like Sudoku. While both Ameca and Neo possess drawing abilities and employ artificial intelligence, they diverge in their approaches and intended functions. Ameca is a fascinating blend of art and technology, while Neo serves as a powerful platform for testing and developing artificial general intelligence, reflecting OpenAI's drive to create AI systems that can handle an array of human-like tasks. The dynamic capabilities of both robots exemplify the continuous advancements in the realm of AI and robotics, promising a future where machines will play an ever more significant role in various aspects of our lives. Ameca's primary focus lies in its human-like interactions, utilizing language and movements to engage with people on a personal level. It has the remarkable ability to convert words or noise into visual images, skillfully drawing them on paper. Ameca's artwork is a true reflection of its uniqueness and expressiveness, although its quality depends on the accuracy of image generation and tracing. On the other hand, Neo is designed to be a versatile powerhouse, employing artificial intelligence to perform a wide range of tasks. It can transform words or noise into executable code, displaying its capabilities through action or on a screen. Neo's drawings are characterized by accuracy and realism, but the complexity of the code and display resolution play a crucial role in the final result. Ameca and Neo serve as incredible examples of the potential of AI and robotics. They showcase different possibilities and approaches within these fields, offering distinct perspectives on the intersection of machines and humans. Ameca's focus on creativity and diversity shines through its interactions and artwork, emphasizing the importance of human-like experiences and expressions in robotics. On the other hand, Neo prioritizes versatility, efficiency, and the pursuit of knowledge through its AI-powered capabilities, presenting a glimpse into the potential of a multifunctional robotic assistant. As these robots continue to evolve, they bring forth significant questions and challenges for our society to grapple with. However, they also have the potential to yield positive impacts, enhancing learning, entertainment, and productivity, among other aspects of our daily lives. The ongoing development of Ameca and Neo reminds us of the ongoing progress in AI and robotics, and the transformative possibilities they hold for our future. The potential of AI and robotics to revolutionize industries and spark new ideas is undeniable. Their capabilities hold the promise of transforming various aspects of our lives, opening doors to exciting possibilities. However, amidst the enthusiasm, we must exercise caution and consider the potential downsides. One concern lies in the impact on jobs, as automation and AI may lead to job displacement. Additionally, we must address ethical concerns and ensure that the development and use of these technologies align with human values. There's also the risk of malfunctions or misuse, which can have serious consequences. To harness the full potential of AI and robotics responsibly, it's crucial to design and utilize these robots with careful consideration. Responsible practices will ensure that they bring us benefits without causing harm. The future of AI and robotics is a blend of excitement and uncertainty. As technology continues to progress, AI robots will become increasingly intelligent and more akin to humans, which will undoubtedly reshape our way of life, work, and self-perception. As we move forward, we have a collective responsibility to shape this future ethically and responsibly. Prioritizing ethical practices in the development and use of AI and robotics is essential. Our vision should be a world where humans and AI robots coexist harmoniously, with AI enhancing our lives while safeguarding our well-being. By approaching the future with mindfulness and prudence, we can ensure that the transformative power of AI and robotics serves humanity's best interests.